You call that left?
You don't like my theory. Maybe you should have fired him.
So it's my fault.
You I should have left you home. Leave it to a girl to screw things up.
You are the most sexist, immature, nut-brain. I'm embarrassed to be related to you. Ever since Mom died, I've been doing all the work at camp while you've been off playing soldier.
Katara,
I even washed all the clothes. Do you have any idea what your dirty socks smell like? Let me tell you, not pleasant.
Katara settled out.
And no, I'm done helping you. From now on, you're on your own.
Okay, you gone from weird.
You mean I did that?
Yep. Congratulations.
He's alive.